So now
It's
after
very
we've
nice.
done the mixing, what's the next process? And so you did it yourself, and then so I guess editing, mixing, editing to a certain degree happens right there in the recording studio. Some things are
Yeah.
overdubbed. You might overdub the.
There might be overdubs, which that goes, under recording,
Mhm.
uh, pretty much. And it's not, it's a lot of guys come in and do the final vocal and harmonica performances, after the band has gone home, and they
Mhm.
can take all day and work on it, and that's cool. That's we do that all the time. Oftentimes, a harmonica player will also be the singer,
Mhm.
and will be the band leader, and the guy behind
The talk back,
yeah.
yeah, leading the show. And after you have a mix that you're pretty happy with, you can either send it off to disc makers or you send it off to mastering.
Yeah, I do mastering at my place. It's basically taking a mix that you think sounds good, that you like, and just processing it in such a way that it'll sound good on most any sound system, um, and it'll hold up in comparison to other, you know, contemporary recordings. So, so when your song plays next to somebody else, it won't sound all out of whack,
Uh,
one way or another. Um, and and also, if there's little, technical metadata stuff, codes, numbers that you can imprint into the digital file. That's also part of mastering for the purposes of getting automatic money from iTunes, Internet Play, stuff like that. Um, so that's kind of in the technical side of it, and you can make a CD, just fine without that. Um, and mastering used to be much more of a real thing. It's kind of elusive now, what exactly it is. It used to be a guy getting a roll of tape that was the record, and his job was like, you get this onto a vinyl record without the needle jumping off.
mhm.
That was a really special skill set that was needed for that. Now it's more like a safety net. You get some other guy to check out what you did, and what can he do to make it better, or maybe it's nothing. Uh, that's what mastering is. I end up doing it myself a lot of time, and it's you know it's gone. It's went fine.
Mhm.